Since 1998, Easy Lift Equipment self-propelled roll haulers have been the safest and most ergonomic solution for handling a wide range of roll applications. Roll haulers equipped with roll forks are available in 4,000 or 6,000 pound capacities and are designed to transport 1 or 2 horizontal rolls at a time. These units are capable of transporting rolls with diameters of 28 to 48 inches or 48 to 60 inches contingent on equipment configuration. The model seen here is our RH4000 with 48-inch roll forks and is configured for handling rolls from 28 to 48 inches in diameter. This unit is equipped with a battery box which acts as a stationary roll support, as well as a removable support bar with 2 mounting positions. The 2 support bar mounting positions are located in the middle and towards the front end of the roll forks and act as an additional support for the roll or rolls during transport. These mounting positions can be factory customized to support specific roll widths. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all hydraulic lines and electrical components, as well as battery cables, to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To start, turn the red emergency switch clockwise to energize the unit. Then turn the key to the on position, which will illuminate the 2-inch display. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order. This includes the lift and lower controls that are located on the top and bottom of the tiller handle. The ergonomic tiller handle is used to steer the roll hauler when the unit is in forward or reverse travel. The thumb control lever on the handle provides the operator with the precise control to travel at variable speeds, enabling safe, accurate movement even in tight operating areas. Also featured on the tiller handle is a reversing safety collision bumper. If the collision bumper contacts the operator when moving in reverse, the roll hauler will stop and move forward to help prevent injury. The tiller handle also includes a horn button for safety, as well as a turtle switch which permits the unit to travel with the handle in a fully upright position for tight maneuvering capabilities, as well as providing a creep function. To charge, ensure the roll hauler is turned off. Unplug the SB175 connector from your roll hauler and connect the charger cable to the battery. It is important to ensure the charger is only connected to the battery and not to the roll hauler, as this could cause damage to the unit or charger. Charging times range from 6 to 8 hours. When charging is complete, disconnect the charger from the battery and reconnect the battery to the roll hauler. Please refer to the manual for complete charging instructions. When prepared to pick a roll, begin by taking off the removable support bar and placing it in a safe location and out of the way. Ensure that the roll forks are in the fully lowered position and align the roll hauler so the roll forks are parallel with the roll's core. Once aligned, slowly move forward towards the roll, ensuring clearance between the roll and the forks to minimize the potential of damaging the roll material. Once the roll is snug against the battery box, use the tiller handle controls to raise the roll to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance. Then, reinsert the support bar in either the center or forward mounting position and transport the roll to the required destination. As mentioned, both the RH4000 and RH6000 roll haulers are small, maneuverable self-propelled units specifically designed for transporting large-diameter, heavy rolls. These units are ideal for use in tight areas where using a full-sized forklift is unsafe or not permitted. Once the required destination has been reached, remove the support bar. Use the tiller handle controls to lower the roll down to the lowest position, ensuring that the roll is making full contact with the floor. Back the roll hauler out and away from the roll. In addition to the tight area capabilities of these roll haulers, their self-propelled design also make them more user-friendly when compared to manual, non-ergonomic push-around fork trucks. The 2 roll forks elevate the roll or rolls just high enough for proper floor clearance during transportation. Both roll forks are lined with white non-marking SBR rubber to cushion the roll and minimize potential damage to the roll material. The roll forks are available in 36, 48, or 60-inch lengths, depending on the specifics of your roll handling application. In addition to transporting rolls, these roll haulers can also be used to place or stage rolls in tight spaces for easier loading onto converting equipment. When finished, you should always place your roll hauler in a safe location, lower the roll forks, turn the unit off, and remount the support bar for future use. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your roll handling project, please contact us today.